Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Owlto Finance token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Owlto Finance, an AI-powered interoperability protocol that enables fast, low-cost, and secure cross-chain transfers and execution, which is built to scale the liquidity and adoption of native tokens, stablecoin (RWA) across ecosystem. Owlto Finance is a decentralized interoperability protocol solving blockchain fragmentation by enabling seamless cross-chain assets transfers and communication. Owlto positions itself as infrastructure glue for a multi-chain future, using token incentives to align users' liquidity and governance. Owlto Finance project institution rating is 3.9, and this project audited by Ceratic. Owlto Finance token total supplies 2 billion and circulating supplies around 330 million OWL token. OWL token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, MEXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.